Is your hair being dramatic because of dandruff? Try करिए apple cider vinegar और fenugreek mask for an instant fix. Apple cider vinegar fungal growth को reduce करता है और साथ में scalp का pH level maintain करता है. Fenugreek's antifungal properties reduces plaque. Try करिए mixture और achieve करें dandruff-free scalp in just a few steps. If you're finding yourself fighting with frizz, ये banana and coconut hair mask आपके लिए perfect solution है. Coconut oil बालों को nourish और smooth करता है और banana hair elasticity को increase करता है. So mix a few spoons of coconut oil in blended bananas and bring your frizzy hair back to life. If you have any hair loss worries, एलो जेल एंड शिकाकाई आपके लिए आइडियल इंग्रेडिएंट्स होंगे. शिकाकाई में एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो हेयर ग्रोथ बूस्ट करता है, while vitamins in aloe gel increases hair cell turnover. Mix some aloe gel and shikakai powder in equal quantities and hair loss will become the least of your worries. Scalp feeling dirty and greasy constantly? इसे combat करें using a green tea and multani mitti mask. ग्रीन टी में एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं जो डीपली क्लेंस करते हैं एंड मुल्तानी मिट्टी वर्क्स लाइक अ डिकंटामिनेटर फॉर योर स्कैल्प. सो मिक्स करें और अप्लाई करें टू गेट अ फ्रेश एंड कंप्लीटली ग्रीस फ्री स्कैल्प. Banish your greys using this amla paste in yogurt hair mask. Yogurt grey hair के लिए एक excellent superfood है जो बालों में बायोटीन ऐड करता है और आंवला premature graying को रोकता है. Mix some amla powder in a bowl of yogurt and apply this to your hair to bring your hair back to their natural color. If your split ends are making you split up with hairstyling in general, ये Vaseline and honey hair mask आपकी problem का solution है. Honey nourishes while Vaseline locks in the moisture. थोड़ा honey ले and mix it in Vaseline. Apply this to your ends for a few minutes. Now you can finally split up with those split ends. Check out more of our favorite hair mask videos and learn how to use them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And make sure to check out our amazing skincare products on Glamrs.com or check the description box for more information. Until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.